Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. A year back, I bought a laptop from Lenovo Ideapad series, which is a 330S ARR 15 powered by Ryzen 5 2500U and 4 plus 4 8GB RAM and 1 TB internal storage. I'm actually happy with the performance and accessibility. This year, I thought about upgrading its specs. So I was searching for the best SSD upgrade. I just checked the details and I found that I can update it to the CD drive space using the drive cladding. But I am unable to find the proper one from the popular e-commerce sites. So I thought to swap it with the primary HDD. Initially, I decided to purchase 250 GB one, but after that I moved to 500. There are two options in my case. One is from Western Digital Green and another one is the from Crucial. I decided to buy Crucial as I bought the RAM from them and it's little bit cheaper than the WD. So I made a decision to buy 500 GB Crucial SSD. Well, this video will see how I swapped from 1 TB HDD to 500 GB SSD. Before doing this, make sure you have backed up all your data and you know how to install the operating system, right? So let's get started. So here is my Crucial BX500 480GB 3D NAND SATA 2.5-inch SSD, which is the 480BX500 SSD1, not Z, which I bought from the Amazon. Now I will turn the laptop off and turn it to the back side. Here we have 13 screws. This one driver will do the thing. So let me unscrew it. The important thing is we have a CD drive cladding which we need to unscrew and take it apart first. Once all the screws are unscrewed, remove the back, but there will be a small locks which needs to be unlocked. I will use the SIM card plate. You can use anything, even a debit card, but be careful. Just stick the card in between the gap and gently slide. Once you have unlocked all the sides, cover should open. Here we go. We have the HDD in left side down. We have 3 HDD holding screws which need to be unscrewed in order to take it out. Usually while changing the components in the laptop, we need to detach the battery and hold the power button to discharge the stored power. But here I'm afraid of removing the battery due to the its condition. Once we unscrew the part, we can take out the hard disk from the board. Make sure you do not touch any component in the motherboard. Continuing that, we have 4 screws in the hard disk casing, which we will unscrew now. Once you take the hard disk apart, now it's time to put our SSD in place and screw it back. Make sure to place the ports in right side. After placing the screws, now it's time to place it in place. Just raise the battery a bit and insert the SSD case holders in between it. Make sure you give enough pressure to insert the SSD to the SATA port of the motherboard. Now screw it back and close the cover and screw them back. I have my bootable device with me and I will install the Windows back and will come back once we have it in place. As you see, now the installation is completed and I have the desktop running on my new SSD. Usually this SSD is more than 3x faster than my old primary SSD. It has like 300 to 400 Mbps read and write speed, which shows some visible performance boost in terms of launching apps, booting the Windows, and all the places it shows the change. We'll copy this 100 plus MB video file and we'll see the speed. It's lightning. Go to Task Manager and Performance. You can see now it's showing 500 GB SSD. Earlier it always showed 100% using. Now it is 1 to 10%. That's great. Also the battery performance increased by 20%. Earlier it stood like 2 to 3 hours, but now it extended like 3 to 4 hours. So we have successfully swapped our HDD to an SSD. I can now feel some good improvements in terms of multitasking. Both my Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects running simultaneously and it's working fine. So that's what this video is about. Hope you found something useful. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next good one. Fort Mato.